Hi there, and I'm Shannon, and today I wanted to start out by I'm going to clean out all of my little cabinets here because I want my top shelves here to be for because I don't need to, and I've already gotten rid of some. I did that through the minimal game, so I've got some of the spaces already cleaned out. So I've already got a head start on some of it. And also in my coffee thing, I need to set this up better so my mother can reach it better. So I'm also going to clean out these drawers. So first thing I'm going to do is unload the dishwasher. Okay, I got the cabinet cleaned out, and I want to put these, my mother-in-law's dishes, up on that top cabinet. And as you can see, the kids hid candy in there. And here's the results. Here is a little thing that my husband's aunt made me, and you put the bowl inside the deal and you put it inside the microwave, and it helps it from the bowl being so hot. I love it. Anybody ever use those egglet things? It's where you crack an egg in it and you can scramble it and then you boil it. I was just curious. I've only used them once and I still kept them. these cabinets, the two cabinets that we're fixing to do, I actually got the napkin holder from the Dollar Tree, and then the blue stuff is also from the Dollar Tree that you put on poster boards, or not poster boards, posters and stuff like that. And I just lined those up and put all my little trays in there like that, and it held it up great. I did it to this cabinet and also the other cabinet, which was my cutting board cabinet. Okay, these two cabinets here, like I said before, I had done all this in January, so I didn't touch any of this. And then this drawer and the other two clips I'm fixing to show you, I didn't change anything in that. I just didn't have the spunk to do those, so that'll be done for another day. Okay, I just wanted to give you a quick look at the stuff that I got rid of out of my second time to go through and declutter my kitchen. This right here is a lunch box. These are little cups you get from fast food places. Those are like ice pack thingies, kids thing. And yes, we are getting rid of that. It's too small for us. But that's all the stuff that I'm getting rid of. I guess donating that stuff. And then I'm going to recycle all these jars. This jar has a crack in it. You can't see it. These went to old mason jars. I'm just going to recycle all of that. And then this right here I'm going to throw away. It was old and this doesn't work anymore. So there you have it. That was my haul, my mission for this week. Got rid of all of that. That is the second time I've decluttered my kitchen since January. Second time, guys.